Hello class, today I'm going to be showing you guys the basics of how to navigate our chemistry website online. This website is through Weebly.com, and as you can see, if you click on the top left hand corner button, we have several sub-pages here. We have the home page, which we're currently on, the objectives page, assignments page, help and resources, and e-learning modules page. So in our home page, you can see our title. This will take you to a link of a website that tells you some of the practical applications of learning chemistry. And then this is just our welcome page. We have the class rules over here, a quote of the month, which I'm obviously going to change every month. This month we're starting off strong with a real famous scientist. You may have heard of him, Albert Einstein, who said, "The important thing is to never stop questioning." And then just a little bit about me. So if you go to the next page, objectives, every week I'm going to post our weekly objective, and there are multiple goals to posting a weekly objective. One of them is that you guys will be able to see how we're progressing in the class, and you'll be able to compare what you're learning to what our objectives are, and these should accumulate to form big yearly objectives that correlate with the Indiana State Education Standards. And if you want to make sure that I'm not slacking and that you guys are actually learning what you're supposed to be learning, you can fact check me here. This is the Indiana State Science Standards website that you can go to make sure that what we're learning each week is kind of correlating well with what you guys should be learning according to the state of Indiana. So if you go to the assignments page, you'll see our current homework assignment as well as past homework assignments, and I will also have links to all of the PDFs or files that you guys might need to print at home or download into different softwares such as, Microsoft Word or Google Docs. So if you want to access the textbook, you can click on this button here and it'll take you right to it. I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit more about how to sign up for the account for an online textbook in class this week. So now we go to the Help and Resources Center. If you guys are having trouble with class material, but you don't feel like you necessarily want to come to me, I have some extracurricular things that you can do. So I have a Quizlet that you guys can click on to learn more about atomic structure, an elemental math game that'll help you become more familiar with atomic number, atomic mass, stuff like that. And then I also have 3 video links, and actually all 3 of these accounts are really great. If not just these videos, but if you click on other videos on their accounts for different topics as we go throughout this year in chemistry, I think you will find especially Tyler DeWitt has really, really relevant videos that we're probably going to be using a lot in class just to make it a little bit more fun for you guys. And finally here you'll see our e-learning module. This is our most current module, and the topic for the one that you guys are going to be doing next week, which is physical and chemical change. So all you have to do is scroll down through the module and it'll take you through all the different things you need to do. There are links, there are videos, interactive bits, and a quiz at the end, of course. And then once you get to the bottom, it'll give you a quick synopsis of all of the things that you should have done. So I hope this video was really helpful in kind of giving you guys the basics of how to navigate our page. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email me.